Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell how you can easily fix your error. So if you have Instagram follow back error, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just try to close and open your app again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to turn off mobile data and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And also, you can try to update your iPhone. So just go to the general and just tap on software update. And if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And the latest option you can try, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.